Good girl. Good girl.
Okay.
Good girl.
Okay.
Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, he's fucking pumping. I can't move it off.
You all right?
Okay.
You all right?
And they put the dog food outside, and they got a hose. They got a hose and sprayed it around.
It's longer than last time. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Definitely got some fucking fun.
Look at him. He's all like sucked in, like.
Come here, baby.
It's a good girl.
Yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, In my city, it get grimy, niggas, they tryna finesse. I swear I don't understand how these niggas be tryna flex. I'ma stand on all my 10, I'm pressing on all they necks. I be stepping on them, yeah, the niggas know that I'm there.
What's up? Want to say welcome back to Pitbull Family Vlogs. It's your boy Trey at Ocean Line Bullies. Got TJ, Diesel, and there's the one that is, hopefully she's pregnant, guys. We don't know yet. It's only 4 days in, but hopefully she's pregnant. He been trying to get it, but you know, look, there you go right now, trying to get it. I've been keeping him from getting it. You know, she's kind of been, I mean, she ain't like aggressive toward him or nothing, but she's kind of been like not showing signs of, you know, wanting to mate anymore. She's made it 4 times. We've got 4 locks. Diesel's still running her down and stuff like that, but yeah, she's putting the tail up and shit. But I'm not gonna fucking let Diesel fucking. Hey, Diesel, chill your ass out, man. Nigga, Diesel fucking stupid, man. Look at him back here in the fucking corner. You're not getting a lock with her, dude. I'm not letting you. I'm not letting you fucking lock with her, Diesel, so I don't know why you fucking doing all that shit. My eyes on you, motherfucker. You're not letting that shit happen. But yeah. We are 4 days in. Diesel wants it. She's had a mate. He's locked with her 4 times. As I've seen, if you follow me on Instagram, they have locked 4 times. So I'm thinking she took. I'm thinking that there's a guaranteed, you know, chance that we could have some puppies here. Diesel, I got plans for Diesel in the future. I don't have plans for Diesel right now, so I'm not using Diesel. I didn't let him go to Ocean either. He wants it. I could tell he wants it, but it just ain't happening, big buddy. It just ain't happening. I'm not gonna let it happen because what we got is these tri puppies on the way. You know how that is. When these folks want them tri puppies, you know how that can go. They want them tries and they want them merles, and hey, I'm coming with them lower level tries. You get me? And I'm not saying lower level as in a low, like I don't believe or have faith in these puppies. You know what I'm saying? I believe in and have faith in these puppies. They're not lower level puppies like that. I'm just saying like I'm on a lower level because I don't have a merle. You know what I'm saying? But these two make it produce a merle. Chop! I meant Diesel. Damn, I called him fucking Chopper. Like that, she obviously not wanting it, dude. No! Get your ass down. You ain't finna mate with her. I don't want to break your courage, but I ain't letting you do it, bro.
No.
I ain't letting you mate with her. There you go. There you go, fuck with that rope. You ain't mating shit. Get that damn rope. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to have you mate with her, but I already got plans for her, and I already got plans for you, so you just keep sticking with that rope. And Big Mama, you keep doing your thing, Big Mama. You keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing, Diesel. Keep doing your thing. I got a little man out here with me. He's supposed to be over here, but he got the damn. What you see, bro? Show that bike, little nigga. Hey, big buddy. Big buddy, come here. Yeah, big buddy. Yeah, big buddy. Yeah, big buddy. Yeah, that's my buddy. Big buddy, yeah. Yeah, big buddy. Yeah. If you want any information on puppies, any information on puppies at all, reach out to me on Instagram at oceanline_bullies. If you want any information about puppies, reach out to me on Instagram at oceanline_bullies. I don't plan to sell puppies through YouTube. I plan to sell my puppies through all my social media accounts and through people that I know. So if you want a puppy, you want to, talk to me about puppies, oceanline_bullies or Trey Howard on Facebook. You can hit me in Cash App, you can hit me in the email. All that stuff is always in the description box anyways. But like I said, if you want to talk to me about puppies, Instagram, oceanline_bullies. And the bullies is with a Z. BULLIEZ, bullies. Not like everybody else is in this Oceanline Bullies. It's Oceanline Bullies with the Z. Get at me. Not my shit, this is a shed. And then folk be talking shit about a little crack window right there. This is a shed right here. This is my spot. All this is my spot. My whoop back there in the bike. Look, that nigga wanted so bad. But I'm sorry, my nigga. You're not getting it. I don't want to, break his heart or no shit like that. But hey, T, get back this way, son. You're going too far. There you go. Get that shit. Get that shit, yeah. Get that shit, yeah. Get that shit, yeah. 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 T, move. T, get out there with pushing that damn screw. They gonna fall on your ass. Oceanline Bullies. Let's hope she pregnant. We on day 4 of our count. Tomorrow is day 5 of our count. You know what I'm saying? When it's 20 of days, then we'll get the rocking from that point on. When we hit 20 days, we'll get the rocking from there on. You know what I'm saying? Hey! Like this way. Good listening, dog. Hey! Back this way. Y'all stay tuned for the next scene.
In my city, you gotta pick side. There's no lie. Either you banging or you on that field and you gonna ride. There's no lie.
Let's go crazy.
They show no love in my city, you gotta pick side. Either you bang or you ride. You know what it is when them niggas jump out. I'm slimy, I'm not gonna lie. I tell you, little pussy niggas not my kind. You pussy niggas not my kind. I tell you, little pussy niggas not my kind. You pussy niggas not my kind. I swear to God that I'm built different. I ain't